there was an important summit meeting in 1992, almost exactly 20 years ago, actually 30 years ago, that was considered as the milestone in pursuing sustainable development, which was called Rio Earth Summit. It was a very big summit on environment and development, and the official title is the UN Conference on Environment and Development. At this important conference, the participants, the leaders of the world, agreed on the need to pursue sustainable development. And they agreed on a document called Agenda 21. And they also agreed on a new convention, treaty, which is called the UN Framework Convention on, or UNFCCC. So these days, you sometimes hear about the meetings called COP, C-O-P, COP, COP21, COP22. The recent COP meeting was COP26. That was held in Scotland. And COP actually means Conference of Parties. Conference of Parties to what? To UNFCCC. So UNFCCC was concluded at the Rio Earth Summit in 1992. And after that, every year, they meet in the parties to UNFCCC. So you can say that this process of COP meetings is the most important international effort to address issues related to climate change and issues related to sustainable development. There was this Millennium Summit meeting in year 2000 at the change of the millennium in the United Nations. And this was very important in the sense that they agreed on what is called the Millennium Development Goals, MDGs. MDGs had 8 goals for developments that at that time they were not using the term sustainable development yet. They called it Millennium Development Goals, the 8 goals. And these 8 goals had a very overarching, very ambitious 5 goals plus 3 very specific goals. You know, you can notice that goal number 4, 5, 6 were very, very specific. They were about public health, like child mortality, maternal health, or fighting diseases like HIV/AIDS, and malaria. Other than these specific goals, the other 5 goals, for example, fighting poverty, hunger, and promoting education, gender equality, and sustainability, and also global partnership, all of them are very big overarching goals. But these 8 goals made a lot of contribution to the, but as you can notice, there have been achievements and also limitations for limitations in contributing to development in the world.